Hello guys, and welcome to the last special part. I'm going to simply show you the weapons. I didn't even upgrade them completely, as you guys can see. I only upgraded a few of them because, well, I didn't need to upgrade them. In my PS2 save data, I have them fully upgraded to their maximum level, and I didn't really feel like it was worth upgrading them since. Well, I already have the platinum trophy for this game, so I don't even do a thing. Here are all the cheat codes that you get for completing all the skill points. Here are all the skill points I'm going to showcase. Some of them I actually got in the playthrough, as you guys might remember, though most of them I didn't. I think that's all of them. Yep. Movies. This is the movies from the Ratchet and Clank. Credits, making of video, cancelled commercials, sketchbook. Yeah. Shortcuts. Here you can go to many parts of the game. Insomniac Museum. This is one of them. I don't know if I should go there because the Insomniac Museum, it has many funny things to watch there, but I can't really know everything. Random stuff. Clank's Day, Insomniac, Sheep Blasters, Space and Sheep Paintings, and endorsement deals. Though I don't know what's this. And first person mode, where you can actually go first person and do all sorts of crazy glitches. Wanna see? Damn it! Wrong. Didn't want to do that. Oh crap, where are we? As you guys can see, with that glitch we can climb all sorts of walls. Every wall will be climbable with that. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this Let's Play, like I said last time. If you did, don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe, and see you guys next time. Bye bye.